All right, everyone, today's the day. I'm going to teach you how to stage a picture of whatever art you made, and this is going to be the free version.
All right, so the maker I'm going to feature today is Elle Barn Quilt. So here's her beautiful page, and I found a photo that was perfect. See how that's straight on? I'm going to use that picture. I took a screenshot. Then I went further down her page and I found this beautiful barn, and I screenshotted that as well. So now I'm just going, I have an iPhone, I'm going right into my picture and I'm editing that art down to just the art. That's why I wanted a nice clean picture. So I'm getting this nice and square, and then I'm gonna save it.
Okay, before we get on to the second part of the instructions, I want to stop right here for a moment. I want to talk about apps. Any photo app will probably do what I'm going to show you to do. I like to use Canva and I like to use PicMonkey. They're both extremely similar, and they're extremely similar to another million apps. So when you're watching this, if you don't use either of those, think how you can use these same concepts with your preferred app. I prefer PicMonkey and Canva because I have both a cell phone version. I can do everything right on my phone on my app. And if I want to get more detailed, I can hop on my computer and everything's synced and I can get in further detail. Okay, let's keep going.
I'm using PicMonkey today, and I'm going to hit that plus sign on the bottom and import these two pictures I just took. So I'm going to bring in the barn first because that's my base layer. And then let's open that up, and on the bottom of that picture you will see a plus sign. I'm going to hit plus, then photos, and it's going to bring in my second photo like a sticker. So here it is. I'm choosing that picture I trimmed down, and I'm using my fingers right on my iPhone to size it exactly how I want it and bring it on top of her other barn quilt that's probably really on that barn. So you can see I'm just lining it up. That's it. That's my new picture.
All right, so that was pretty easy, right? So that was just the basics on how to do this. You can start dressing these up and put frames around your pictures. You can do all sorts of things. So I'm going to show you a few examples of what I did for Elle Barn Quilts next that she can use this summer for her social media. Some of my best backdrops are my friends' front porches or walls or interiors. You're going to walk around and look at the world a little differently. Use it. It's easy. So easy.
Okay, before we wrap this up, I'm just going to show you a couple mock-ups I did for her that she can use, and I hope you found this easy and something you can use in the future.